ready to unlock the full potential of Clockify for your team. As a Clockify administrator, you hold the keys to effective team and project oversight. So let's dive into the essential functionalities that will empower you to manage your workspace like a pro. First, let's explore user management, which you can find in the admin panel. Here, you can easily add new team members by clicking Add User, inviting them via email, and assigning them roles. You can also edit existing user profiles, update their information, or even deactivate users who no longer need access to the workspace. Next up are permission settings, where you can customize access levels for each user. Clockify allows you to assign roles like admin, user, or project manager, granting specific permissions for tasks like creating projects, inviting members, or generating reports. One of the most powerful features is reporting customization. Clockify allows you to generate detailed reports to track time spent on projects, monitor team productivity, and gain valuable insights into your team's workflow. You can filter data by user, project, date range, and more to create tailored reports that meet your specific needs. Don't forget to configure your workspace settings. This section allows you to customize your workspace name, logo, and other branding elements, as well as manage billing information and subscription details. And that's it. With these administrative tools, you are now ready to optimize your team's workflow, enhance productivity, and make data-driven decisions with Clockify.